Hello and congratulations on your beautiful baby. We are a professional team of midwife and nurse, and we're here to guide you step by step through your baby's first foods. In this very first video, we'll show you 3 safe and nourishing starter recipes: oat porridge, red lentil puree, and meat puree. But stay with us until the very end, because after the recipes, we'll share the essential safety tips, signs of allergy, and key feeding guidelines every parent must know. You don't want to miss these.
Let's start with the Oat Flakes porridge. Take 2 tablespoons of oat flakes and rinse them briefly with clean water. Drain excess water and place the flakes into a small saucepan. Add half a cup of breast milk or formula. Cook gently, stirring, until it reaches the right texture. For the first weeks of complementary feeding, the texture should be very smooth and runny, almost like thin yogurt, so your baby can swallow easily. Pass the porridge through a fine sieve to make it completely smooth. Oats are naturally rich in iron, B vitamins, and soluble fiber, great for digestion and keeping your baby full. They are also considered low allergen, making them a safe first food. Mixing with breast milk or formula makes the taste familiar and easier to accept. Red Lentil Puree. Take 2 tablespoons of red lentils and rinse thoroughly. Place in a saucepan and add enough clean water to cover. Cover and cook until the lentils are very soft, about 20 to 30 minutes. Strain through a fine sieve to create a smooth, lump-free puree. Red lentils are soft, cook quickly, and are rich in iron, plant-based protein, and fiber. They help your baby get used to savory flavors early on, which lowers the risk of picky eating later. Plus, lentils are one of the gentlest legumes, making them a good starter option. If you find this useful, remember to subscribe so you won't miss the rest of our baby nutrition playlist. Meat Puree. Place small pieces of lean, fat-free beef or chicken in a saucepan. Add enough clean water to cover. Cook until fully done. Once tender, strain through a fine sieve until smooth. Meat is one of the best first foods for babies, providing heme iron and zinc, essential for brain development, immunity, and growth. Early introduction of iron-rich foods helps prevent iron deficiency anemia, which is common in infants after 6 months.
When introducing complementary foods, remember these key points. Start at around 6 months, not before 4 months, unless advised by a health professional. Offer 1 to 2 small meals per day in the beginning, increasing gradually as your baby grows. Watch for allergy signs: rash, vomiting, diarrhea, swelling, or breathing changes. If any appear, stop the food and seek medical advice immediately. Introduce new foods 1 at a time, waiting 2 to 3 days before trying another. Always supervise your baby while eating, and make sure the texture is safe and age-appropriate. Remember, every baby is different, and it's okay if progress is slow. The goal is to make eating a positive, safe, and joyful experience. Your baby's first foods are not just about nutrition. They're about building healthy habits, preventing allergies, and sharing joyful mealtime experiences together. In the next videos of this playlist, we'll explore more exciting recipes and tips for safe, balanced weaning. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow this playlist so you won't miss any step of your baby's nutrition journey.